We back with the Lexus SC400 drift build. Freshly back from the paint shop, jet gloss black. Pretty happy with it. It was cheap, so there's some spots where it's not the best, but this is budget drift build, so it's just what I wanted. It looked so bad before, and now it's got that clean black slate look. Wheel bearings in the rear are trashed. It sounds like crap when I drive. So ordered those. Did an X-pipe exhaust on it. Has the roof spoiler. This is painted. Everything to match now. Looks so much better. The interior is the next part I need to work on. Did the NRG seat, the speckled back, NRG quick release steering wheel. But yeah, the carpet in here was just stained and trashed. It was really bad, so I just ripped the whole thing out. The factory seats were so heavy too, so I can only imagine the weight reduction it has now. Not that it much needs it with the V8 and welded diff, but that's next to come. It's a project, so it's looking much better than it did before, and we're getting there little by little. The steering is still iffy on it, so I probably need new bushings for the front control arms. I ordered some for the steering rack, so we'll see if that helps. And the thermostat gauge still doesn't work, so gonna try to work on that next. But it runs and drives. I drove it about 30 minutes to get it painted, and then 30 minutes back home with no problems. It still draws power. I don't know. I have to disconnect the battery. Not exactly sure why, but cheap intake. Factory one had leaks all in the hoses and stuff, so yeah, running a little better now. Let's see what's next. Fix the thermostat gauge. Do the rear wheel bearings. And go slider. Manual swap. That's what really needs to be done. It's trying to source either a CD 009 or just go cheap KA or SR20 5-speed. Let me know what you think I should do. Like, you can see the paint, you can still see the Lexus emblem a little bit there. So, could have been a little better prep work, but overall it's nice. I'm happy. She'll look good sliding sideways. I did order side skirts, so they're in the mail, because that just looks funny to me. It's so far down in the front, but yeah, that's the progress, and we'll be out here sliding hopefully one day when the funds approve of it. So after Christmas or something, maybe do the manual swap and go from there. Stay tuned.